They're here in SoCal. Amber?
Hi, Juan. Hi, Sharon. That's right. All of this humidity continues to linger and also stick around, not just for a day. It's actually staying with us for at least the next few days. So I'll get to our forecast in just a moment. Let's take a look really quick at Dorian. So Dorian currently a Category 2 hurricane, and it's actually moving after staying stationary for the last few hours. It's actually heading a little bit more north. You can see this is the first time we've actually watched it move away from the Bahamas in a while. So it's moving at about 6 miles per hour. So at least it's a little bit faster than when it sat over the Bahamas and either sat there for a while or moved maybe just 1 mile per hour. So it's starting to head a little bit more north into the warmer ocean waters of the Atlantic Ocean. And then we have wind speeds currently at about 110 miles per hour. But as we zoom in a little bit closer, you'll notice that the outer bands of this very powerful hurricane is really affecting areas from Daytona Beach all the way down to Fort Pierce. And then we're also looking at some bands, the very outer bands, bringing some rain over to the Miami area. Right now, the computer models are showing that this system will stay off the coast, but because it's so large that the outer bands will definitely take a beating, especially for the east coast of Florida. And then as it marches its way to the north toward the Carolinas, it's going to stay a Category 2 hurricane. And then finally, it looks like by the time we head into the end of the week, it will downgrade to a Category 1 as it shoots out into the Atlantic. That's if it holds together and stays on this track. Otherwise, here in Southern California, we are dealing with very hot and humid conditions because all that monsoonal flow continues to push in as a high pressure system sits over the Four Corners region. Today, we topped out above average again, coming in at 90 degrees. Take a look at all of this unstable air, this moisture triggering these afternoon thunderstorms, especially over the mountaintops and also over some of the high deserts right now. So here in Southern California, we actually saw some rain. We saw some hail in areas like Wrightwood, and now we're actually looking at a little bit more of the thunderstorms developing just north of the Victor Valley area where we have lightning and then also a very heavy rain and pockets of these showers are really picking up because, again, we're getting into the hottest part of the day. So just south of the Palm Desert area along Highway 74, we're also dealing with a very large rain cell here, and that's why we have a flood advisory until 7 p.m. And we also have a flash flood watch over the Antelope Valley for LA and Ventura County.